Have you ever wondered how stunning animations, engaging visuals, and dynamic motion graphics come to life? What if I told you that you could create these mesmerizing designs even if you've never used After Effects before? Hi, and welcome to the Ultimate Motion Design Blueprint in After Effects course, your all-in-one guide to becoming a motion graphics pro. This course will take you on an exciting journey from the absolute basics to mastering advanced motion design techniques, all while having a blast with fun, hands-on exercises, and real-world projects. My name is Iole, and I will be your guide as we explore the exciting world of motion design. This course is designed with total beginners in mind, so whether you've never opened After Effects before or you're simply looking to sharpen your animation skills, you are in the right place. We will start with the basics like navigating the interface and understanding key tools, and work our way to advanced motion design techniques that will make your animation stand out. We'll begin by covering the very foundational skills in After Effects, then work our way to more complex topics like principles of animation, keyframes and the graph editor, shape modifiers, text animation, effects and presets, transitions, expressions, motion tracking, lettering animation, character animation, morphing animation, 3D and fake 3D animation in After Effects, and then we'll work on our final projects for this course. You won't just learn theory. This course is packed with hands-on exercises and exciting projects to help you practice as you learn. By the end, you will have a portfolio full of stunning motion designs that you will be proud to show off. If you've ever dreamt of turning your creative ideas into eye-catching animations, now is the time to make it happen. Join me in this fun and engaging course, and let's together bring your motion design skills to life. Enroll now and start your journey to becoming a motion design pro today.